Hello, grade 7, and welcome to our 7th math session in our lesson, which is Triangles Case of Equality, part of Constructing Triangles. Before we start, let's review how to draw triangles. Okay? Before we start constructing any triangle, we need three given elements. First case, to construct the case of side, 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 we need a compass and a ruler. In the case of angle, side, angle, we start drawing with the side, and the side must be adjacent to the two angles. We draw it using a protractor and a ruler. In the third case, which is side, angle, side, two sides and an included angle, to draw it, we need a protractor and a ruler. What can you notice? We notice that in the three cases, we have at least one side. So to draw any triangle, we need the measure of one side or more. Now let's start solving exercise number 9. Construct a right triangle CHA, it's right triangle at H, such that we have many cases. Before we start, we have to draw a sketch because it's very helpful. It's CHA. It's a right triangle at H. Now let's start solving part A. Okay, as you can see here, we are going to start with part A. I draw a sketch for the triangle CHA which is right at H. Okay, here we have a right angle. It's given that HA is 6 centimeter and HC is 4 centimeter. In this case, we have side, angle, side. So we are going to start drawing with the first side, which is HA, which measure 6 centimeters. Here it's H, here it's H, here it's A, and it's 6 centimeter. Then we are going to draw the right angle at H. You can use the protractor or the set square. Here it's 90 degree. Okay, and they give us that HC is 4 centimeter. How to draw HC? Okay, put the 0 on HA, and just we are going to take how much? We are going to take 4 centimeter. I put the 0 on HA and take 4 centimeters passing through the point. Just mark 4 centimeters. Why? Because CH is 4 centimeter. Here I have a right angle. Here it's 4 centimeter, and we join C with A. Now we have right triangle CHA. Okay, B also I have to start using a sketch. As we said, H is the right angle. Okay, pay attention here. If we name it like this, CHA, given in part B, HA is 8 centimeters and A is 40 degrees. This is the case of side angle, side angle. So I draw the first side, which is 8 centimeter, HA. Then we draw the angles. At H we have 90 degrees. We put it at H. We mark 90 degrees. This is part C, not part B. Okay. And we join. Then we put it at A and mark 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Then we are going to join. And as we said, I have to elongate until the two triangles intersect. So this one will be like this. Okay, so this is triangle CHA, which is right at H and A of measure 40 degrees. HA is 8 centimeters. Now I'm done. So, as you can see here, these are the results of part A and C. Two are right triangles at H, but different in shape depending on the given elements. Now let's start solving exercise number 10. Construct an isosceles triangle ABC with base BC. What is meant by isosceles triangle of base BC? I have to draw a sketch. This is ABC. Triangle ABC, it's an isosceles triangle. Its base is BC, so the base angles are B and C are equal. And we have two equal sides, AB and AC. Is it must that BC should be down always? No. I can draw an isosceles triangle like this one, and this is BC, the base. But the equal elements are constant. We have AB is equal to AC and angle B is equal to angle C. This is the base, so these are two equal base angles. Okay, so the isosceles triangle could be in many shapes. Okay, now let's start with part A. Constructing an isosceles triangle ABC with base BC and A equal to 40 and AB 7 centimeter. Let's draw a sketch. This is triangle ABC with the main vertex A and the base BC. The base is BC, then AB is equal to AC. It has two equal sides and two equal base angles, which are B and C. Let's look at the given. There is one missing element. Okay? A is 40 degree, AB is 7. Who is equal to AB? Look at the sketch. AB is equal to what? To which side? If you look at the figure, since we have an isosceles triangle and AB is 7 centimeter, then it has two equal sides, then AB is equal to AC. So from this given, we can find the length of AC. Then AB is equal to AC equal to 7 centimeters. Okay? We have to write, since ABC is an isosceles triangle, we have to write the reason. Okay? Then it has two equal sides. So AB is equal to AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay? So now I found the missing element, because to draw any triangle we need three elements. A is 40, AB is 7 centimeter, and AC is 7 centimeter. This is the case of side, angle side. So we start drawing with this side. You can choose either AB or BC. Okay, so let's start using the ruler. We have to start with the first side, which is equal to 7 centimeter. I start from 0. Then I have to use the protractor, but before let me name the side. This is side A, B of length 7 centimeters. Put the protractor on the vertex A, which is equal to 40 degrees. Line it up correctly. And choose 40 degrees. This is 40 degrees. And mark a point, and you can draw a semi-line. Then use the ruler and take from this semi-line how much? AC, which is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay, I'm going to use my ruler. Measure from it 7 centimeters. I have to mark a point at 7 centimeters. Like this. And now I can join the point of intersection is the vertex. What is the vertex C? So now I can get triangle ABC. Okay, look, in this case BC is still the base, but it's a side. Okay, and we have two equal sides, which are AC and AB, and the measure of angle A is 40 degrees. I have two equal sides, I have to mark them, and one included angle which is equal to 40 degrees. Don't forget to put the images. And by this we finished part A. Now let's start with part B. First, let's draw a sketch, triangle ABC. A is up, BC is the base. It's an isosceles triangle, so AB is equal to AC and angle B is equal to angle C. Now let's look at the given. Given that angle A is 50 degrees, okay? And BC is 4 centimeter. Can I draw a side and a non-adjacent angle? No, we said that to draw a triangle, the angles must be adjacent to the side. So I have to find the measure of angle B and angle C. To find the measure of the angles, so I have to subtract from 180 degrees the measure of angle A. Okay, so starting, we say that angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because they are base angles of the isosceles triangles, of the isosceles triangle ABC. Okay, so how to find B and C? First of all, let's subtract 180 minus angle A. Okay, we have to remove the measure of angle A as we did before. And the answer, we have to divide it by 2. Why? Because we have two equal base angles. So 180 minus angle A, 180 minus 50 degrees, which will give me 130 degrees. Okay? So now, how did we do that? Because the sum of angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We use the property of the sum of angles in a triangle. Okay. Now, can you find the measure of angle A, of angle B and C? Yes. So, Angle B is equal to angle C, the base angles. They are equal to, what to do? 180 minus angle A divided by 2. 180 minus angle A divided by 2. We make division. 180 minus angle A is equal to 130 degrees. Divided by 2 is equal to 65 degrees. Okay, so now we find the measure of B and C. So this is the case of angle, side angle. So to draw it, we start with the side, which is BC, equal to 4 centimeters. Then let's name it B, C, of length 4 centimeters. Okay, then we use the protractor, put it on B, or first let's start with angle C, which is equal to 65 degrees. They are both equal, so if you start with B or C, they are the same. 65 degrees. This is 65. Okay, then put it on C. Okay, this is the edge of C. And measure 65 degrees. Okay. Now let's name the third vertex. The third vertex is A. The triangle is in the red color, okay? These lines, you can erase them in black, which are in black. So this is triangle ABC, such that BC is 4 centimeter, angle B is equal to angle C, which are equal to 65 degrees. Okay, now let's start with part C. Similarly, I have an isosceles triangle. Before we start, we have to draw a sketch. Base BC. The main vertex is A. I have two equal sides, AB and AC, and two equal base angles, B and C. Now let's look at the given to find the missing element. Okay, angle B is 45 degrees and BC is 6 centimeters. Okay, so what do you think? What is the missing element? Angle B is equal to angle C. So this indicates that these two equal angles are equal to 45 degrees. Okay, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have first to state the reason. Okay, then angle B is equal to angle C. Why? They are base angles, okay, of an isosceles triangle. So angle B is equal to angle C equal to 45 degrees. Okay, Don't forget to put the caps above the angles and the degree above the measure. This is the degree. Okay, now we have three elements. This is the case of angle, side, angle. Let's start drawing the first side, which is BC, of length 6 centimeters. Okay, let's name it. This is B. This is C. And the length is 6 centimeters. Now, let's put it on B and measure 45 degrees. Okay, so the angle B is equal to 45 degrees. Let's measure 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Okay, we mark the first angle, then put it on C and measure 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Okay, and draw a semiline from C. Now the two semilines intersect at the third vertex, which is A. Let's name it. This is vertex A. Now I get the isosceles triangle ABC. BC is equal to 6 centimeter, and I have two equal base angles, which are B and C, of measure 45 degrees. B is 45 degree and C is 45 degrees. Okay, and you can erase the extra lines. By this, we finished our session. Thank you for watching.